Take a wild guess why I'm here doing more sound effects for you. Randy makes more dumb sound effects. I always try to make them better. Frank's sticks were those dumb. I mean, it's like, and he brought a Star Wars Blu-ray up down here for no reason. Just it's like he's not even trying. It's like he's deliberately trying to make them horrible, like Team of Voice Box. So first one was lightsabers. We have some of those effects, so here are the lightsabers effects. So next is blasters. We have a couple of those, so here they are. You really want me to do Slave Leia? I can't do Slave Leia. You can't, like, how do you expect me to make Slave Leia sound effect? How do you make a Slave Leia sound effect? Huh? See? You can't do it. You just can't do it.